If you've spent any time poking around Grand Design's website lately, you might have noticed a brand new travel trailer line quietly stealing the spotlight. It's called the Serenova, and with the freshly revealed 2026 lineup now rolling out, the 150HL is one of the models really turning heads. If you're a solo traveler or an adventurous couple looking for something a little different, this one feels like it was built with you in mind. We actually talked about the Serenova a few months back when Grand Design first pulled the curtain on this lineup, and now that the 2026 models are starting to show up, things are getting even more interesting. The moment you see the Serenova in person, it's hard not to stop and stare. The fiberglass exterior, those Euro-style windows, and the clean modern lines all come together beautifully. And that sweeping front windshield, it's a total showstopper. Honestly, Grand Design really nailed the exterior on this one, but I'm curious what you think, so definitely let me know in the comments. Looks aside, the Serenova is packed with smart exterior features too. You've got storage bays, a really slick rear cap that allows for windows back there, outdoor utility hookups, including an exterior shower, a nose cone storage box up front, and yes, a slide out that adds some much-needed breathing room inside. The whole thing feels well thought out and purpose-built. Step inside, and you'll notice the Serenova sits a bit higher than usual, thanks to that MORryde independent suspension, with aluminum steps leading you in. Once you're inside, the vibe is instantly interesting. It feels modern, but the layout has this vintage soul that Grand Design somehow blends together perfectly. That front lounge area is the heart of it all, sitting right under that massive windshield, with side windows bringing in even more light. It gave me serious, classic Airstream and old-school Spartan Manor vibes, and I'm absolutely here for it. This is where you'll spend most of your time, so it makes sense that Grand Design went all in. The foldable couch is the star of the show, doubling as your sleeping space at night, and it's surprisingly versatile. There's storage tucked along the sides and underneath, plus a foldable table that works as a dining or work surface. You can even take that table outside and use it under the awning, which sounds pretty perfect for sunset dinners or lazy morning coffee. Moving toward the rear, the slide-out really opens things up and makes room for what feels like an oversized kitchen for a trailer this size, along with a full 3-piece bathroom. The bathroom shares a wall with the entertainment center near the entry, keeping everything nicely organized. On the slide-out side, you'll find a wardrobe, then a pantry, and from there, the kitchen just keeps going. There's a large fridge with a freezer, an induction cooktop with a microwave below it, and along the rear wall, even more counter space, a sink, and plenty of storage both above and below. You also get windows on each side of the kitchen and a ceiling fan to keep things fresh while you're cooking. The bathroom has sparked a bit of debate, mostly because of the plastic toilet. But beyond that, it's actually quite roomy. The shower is spacious, there's good storage for your essentials, and overall it feels functional and well executed. Backing all of this up are solid systems like a 20,000 BTU furnace, a 13.5 kBTU air conditioner, recessed LED lighting, a tankless water heater, and some seriously nice Italian cabinetry. European-inspired design is clearly making waves in the US market, and this trailer leans into that trend in a really appealing way. Where the Serenova really shines, though, is in its off-grid capability. You get a 200-watt solar panel, a charge controller, prep for a 3,000-watt inverter, and 39 gallons of fresh water, which makes this a great option if you're looking to spend more time away from crowded campgrounds. Now, let's talk price. According to Grand Design, the Serenova 150HL carries an MSRP of $65,239, which is definitely on the higher end. That said, once these start landing at dealerships, prices usually come down a bit, and that's where the real deals tend to pop up. Dealers like General RV already have these lined up, and Matt from Matt's RV Reviews has even done a walkthrough if you want another perspective. You can also expect places like Bish's RV to have them on the lot soon. So what do you think about the Serenova 150HL? Is Grand Design moving in the right direction with this bold, modern approach, or is it a little too much? I'd love to hear your take.